If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. Customer types in QuickBooks Online Plus let you classify customers for reporting purposes. Note that each customer can only be categorized to one customer type. To create customer types, click the Sales link or the Customers and Leads link in the navigation bar, and then click the Customers tab at the top of the page that opens to the right to open the Customers list page. Alternatively, hover over the Sales link or the Customers and Leads link in the navigation bar, and then roll over and click the Customers link in the side menu that appears to open the same page. Then, click the Customer Types button towards the upper right corner of the page, which appears after you have added at least one customer record to your customers list, to open a Customer Types page. To add a new customer type, click the New Customer Type button in the upper right corner of the Customer Types page. Type the name for the new customer type into the field in the New Customer Type window that opens, and then click the Save button within it to save it, or the Cancel button to cancel if needed. Then repeat these steps until you have added all your desired customer types to the Customer Types list. The actions available from the Action column in the Customer Type list include Edit to change a customer type's name and Make Inactive to inactivate it. To apply a customer type to a single customer in QuickBooks Online, add a new customer record, or edit an existing customer's record in the customer pane as usual. Then select the customer type for the customer's record from the Customer Type dropdown in the Additional Info section of the customer pane. Then click the Save button in the lower right corner of the pane. Alternatively, to apply customer types to multiple existing customers at once as a batch action in QuickBooks Online, open the Customers List page. Then check the checkbox to the left of the customers in the customers list to whom to apply the same customer type. Then click the Batch Actions drop-down button above the customers list and select the Select Customer Type command. Then select the desired customer type to apply to the selected records in the Select Customer Type window that opens, and click the Apply button in the window to apply it to those selected customers. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.